stop and a car slammed into him. Witnesses reportedly kept the driver from running off, and the CHP believes she was under the influence of drugs. The 24-year-old was arrested on DUI and homicide charges. The police department says Bowen served the highest dedication and honor. San Francisco is taking action to stop sideshows. Cars installed speed bumps this week at the corner of Divisadero and California streets. Neighbors say it's about time, as they've been seeing drivers doing donuts for more than 2 years now. The stunt driving particularly starts after midnight and lasts for about 30 minutes. With 2 or 3 cars taking over the area, the city reports 24 sideshows so far this year, with about 11 of them in certain areas in 1 month. And a Fremont gas station has fallen victim to a slew of crime over the last few years. The most recent incident involved thieves stealing diesel fuel.
They were able to open it, and this opens, and there's a computer inside, and they're able to manipulate it.
Shaheen Olier told NBC Bay Area his Vallejo gas station along Mulray Avenue has had tens of thousands of dollars worth of fuel stolen recently. It's just the latest of one of the largest incidents that has occurred in recent years.
I get woken up at least 2 or 3 times a night with some kind of alarm going off. What's going on? I have to drive over here.
A recent incident caught on surveillance video showed individuals pulling up in a flatbed truck with a 55-gallon container to pump in the fuel. According to Shaheen, they use a universal key to open the gas pumps.
As business owners, we're already struggling. We're fighting tooth and nail to try and stay competitive to everyone else.
The Fremont Police Department says the case is under investigation. This incident comes a month after other suspects tried to break into the store after hours. This group has reportedly stolen an ATM from a nearby liquor store, according to the Fremont Police Department. And that's a look at what's going on in the Bay Area. For more on these stories and international, national, state, and local news affecting the Black community, listen to the Black Information Network on the iHeartRadio app or log on to BINnews.com. You can follow us on social media on X at BlackInfoNet. I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 news on San Francisco's BIN 910.
Looking for ways to support your community? The United Negro College Fund is one of the nation's leading advocates for the importance of minority education and community engagement. Lend your support at uncf.org. That's uncf.org.
When trust matters, count on BIN.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
This hour of news is brought to you by Merck, a proud national partner of the Black Information Network.
Join us in New Orleans for the National Urban League Conference, July 24th through the 27th at Hyatt Regency, New Orleans. Don't miss out. Register today at annualconference.org.
The Black Information Network.
24/7 News with a 24/7 hotline.
Hey, this is Mark in Augusta, and I think your network's great. Although you couldn't do without James G. Harris. He's just kind of a weirdo.
Hi, you guys. My name is Barbara LeBaron here in Riverside, California. I love listening to your station. It's like, wow, you guys are awesome.
My name is Mickey Samuel. I enjoy listening to y'all because y'all do talk about our issues.
Give us your feedback at 855-500-9BIN.
Talk back to the Black Information Network using the latest version of the iHeartRadio app. No phone numbers, no dialing. Just click the microphone button in the bottom corner of the app and leave your news tip or feedback for the only 24/7 Black News Network.
Stories that matter. More than 1,200 people in the U.S. are killed by heat-related events every year.
24/7.
Pat Ryan of New York is asking Biden to deliver on his promise to be the bridge to a new generation of leaders.
If it's important to the Black community,
A violent traffic stop in Newcastle County, Delaware has sparked an investigation into the use of force by county police.
It's on the Black Information Network.
the Bay Area's BIN 910, and on the iHeartRadio app.
Did you know that your melanin-rich brown skin is a natural wonder? It's our armor against the sun. But even superheroes need protection. Whether you're just outside for brunch with friends or taking a walk around the neighborhood, sunscreen is the best protection. Because it isn't just for the beach. It's an everyday essential. It helps shield your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing signs of premature aging, sunspots, and even skin cancer. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's self-love. We all deserve a little self-love, and CVS is your ally in skin health no matter what you're looking for. From moisturizers with SPF to dermatologist-tested skincare, CVS shelves are stocked with a wide range of skincare products, specially curated for diverse needs. From brands like Black Girl Sunscreen to Elfa Visible Sunscreen. So protect your natural glow, celebrate your uniqueness, and let CVS support you on your beautiful skin health journey. Even if you're having skin issues, you can schedule a skin assessment with a Minute Clinic provider. Stop by your local CVS today. Learn more at CVS.com.
A special thank you to Geico,
A proud founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
I'm Mimi Brown on the Black Information Network, and today I'm in conversation with Dr. Byron Scott, Direct Relief COO and co-chair of the Fund for Health Equity. What's the overall mission of the Direct Relief program?
The overall mission of Direct Relief is to improve the health and lives of people affected by poverty or emergencies without regard to politics, religion, or ability to pay. This includes providing essential medical resources such as pharmaceutical drugs and medical supplies to areas impacted by natural disasters, conflicts, and other crises around the world and in the U.S.
Can you break down what the Fund for Equity program is about and what metrics Direct Relief prioritizes for assessing partner relationships within it? Can you give us 3 areas?
Well, the Fund for Health Equity is a program dedicated to addressing health disparities and advancing health equity worldwide. The program started about 3.5 years ago to really support organizations and initiatives that work to overcome systemic barriers around healthcare access and improve outcomes for underserved populations. One of the focus areas is diversifying the workforce, which really means to support people from all backgrounds so they can obtain certification and training to become nurses, community health workers, health navigators, and other essential healthcare workers working with diverse groups of people. The second area of focus is around eliminating health disparities. We try to focus on improving population health, preventing disease, and responding to behavioral health and other substance abuse challenges. And the third area is supporting digital health, and that means, allowing these organizations to use new technology like telehealth or innovation like mobile medical units and renewable energy to really deliver better patient care in their communities. Healthcare is a fundamental human right, and within our country, a lot of people of color and other underrepresented groups have faced challenges of accessing quality health care.
To learn more, visit directrelief.org.
Get Black business news every 30 minutes
on the Black Information Network.
Bay Area's PIN 910.
Here's what's trending this hour. House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries met with President Biden as a number of Democrats want the president to drop out of the election, and AT&T believes almost all of its wireless customers are affected by a data breach. I'm Tariq Wynn, and that's what's trending.
Sports on the Black Information Network. Something stinks in Gotham, and fans say the strong stench is coming from the Bronx. Since June 15th, the so-called Bronx Bombers are 5-16, dropping 7 of the last 10 games. Yankees manager Aaron Boone.
It's on us as coaches to put our players in the best position possible to go out there and be successful. We got to continue to try and do that to the best of our ability. And trust that the ball's going to start to bounce our way a little bit. We can get it rolling here.
Yankees first baseman Ben Rice says the team has got to break out of this slump.
We're better than this, right? Obviously I wasn't here for the majority of the first part of the year, but everyone saw what we could do. We're at our best. So I think it's just a matter of time before we dig ourselves out.
The World Boxing Council has banned former interim WBC lightweight champion Ryan Garcia from professional boxing following a series of racist messages on social media targeting African Americans and Muslims. After Garcia was suspended for positive test results for PEDs. Garcia's mental health has come into question in recent months. Here's your sports at 14 and 24 past each and every hour. I'm Ray Harris on the Black Information Network.
Heavily based on soul music, but incorporating elements ranging from funk, jazz, fusion, hip-hop, and African to electronic and pop. voice as a way to define and market a soul revival which had been underway since the 80s. With artists like D'Angelo, Erykah Badu, Lauryn Hill, and Maxwell all having success, industry execs found it necessary to classify genre-bending music. A digital analog hybrid sound with conscience-driven lyrics, while heavily rooted in soul stars like Marvin Gaye and Stevie Wonder, Neo Soul tried to look backward and forward. Neo Soul has expanded and diversified with contributions from a new generation. This is Vallejo Cologne for the Black Information Network.
Got a story that affects our community? Call the Black Information Network hotline at 855-500-9BIN.
Entertainment news on the Black Information Network. Rapper Kid Cudi is making progress in his recovery after hurting himself during his Coachella performance. On Wednesday, the rapper shared a video on Instagram showing himself walking on crutches for the first time in 4 months. Cudi has been in physical therapy since having 2 surgeries to repair a bone in his foot. He said he's able to put about 20% of his weight on it now and will be adding more weight as weeks go by. The rapper hurt his foot after jumping off stage during his surprise set at Coachella back in April and was forced to cancel his Insano World Tour as a result. In other celebrity news, Eminem's new album, The Death of Slim Shady, Who's Rock, is out now and marks the 12th studio album released by the 51-year-old rapper who is not black. Eminem visits a number of celebrities, including Diddy, and even touches on the Alex Baldwin manslaughter trial. Features include J.I.D., Baby Tron, Big Sean, and Skylar Grey. The album also features a part 2 to his hit song, Guilty Conscience. With the latest in entertainment news at 17 and 47 minutes past each hour, I'm Morgan Wood on the Black Information Network and MBytes.com. When it comes to the history of black female models, Sarah Lou Harris Carter stands out as a pioneer. The first black supermodel was born in 1923 in Wilkesboro, North Carolina, and attended Bennett College as an undergrad before heading to Columbia University to earn her master's degree. After teaching for a year, Carter joined the legendary Branford Modeling Agency, America's first licensed agency for black models. During her career, Sarah Lou Harris Carter was the first black woman to be featured at the New York Buyers Fashion Show and was the first black woman featured in a national ad campaign for Lucky Strike cigarettes. She also appeared multiple times on the cover of several nationally circulated black publications, including Jet, Ebony, Pan, and You. After marrying G&E's attorney John Carter, Sarah Lou Harris Carter officially became Lady Sarah after her husband was knighted by England's Queen Elizabeth in 1967. Sarah Lou Harris Carter passed away in 2016 at the age of 90. This is Big Sue for the Black Information Network. New Black America Trust.
The Black Information Network. The Bay Area's BIS 910.
And I'm Bree Wood. I'm your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
Supporters of ballot drop boxes celebrating in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, after the state Supreme Court ruled that absentee ballot drop boxes can be used in November. A group of supporters attended a news conference to celebrate the decision handed down last week.
Our rights have been trampled on for such a long time. Now we have to have the patience to understand and know our power.
The court ruled 4-3 that drop boxes can be used at any location. At least 29 other states allow absentee ballot boxes.
President Biden held a conference call with Democratic mayors to shore up support as some call for him to step aside after his father received the summit. Hamilton, Georgia Mayor Michael Powell urged calm among his fellow mayors. He tells Atlanta News First.
I think that there are people that want to make sure that we do the right thing for the American people. And I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I don't think there's anything wrong with taking a critical look and going, how do we we make sure we're putting our best foot forward?
Atlanta Mayor Andre Dickens and Savannah Mayor Van Johnson, both black, were also on the conference call with the president.
Chicago is recognizing the disparity in what African American women and their white counterparts are paid. Mayor Brandon Johnson, who is black, took part in the observance of National Black Women's Equal Pay Day.
You all know it is the hard work and the brilliance, the ingenuity of black women that have saved this democracy.
The event comes as tipped service industry workers see the first hourly pay increase as a result of the One Fair Wage Ordinance passed last fall. A recent report from the U.S. Census Bureau shows that African American women earn 66 cents for every dollar earned by white men.
And a California high school teacher is accused of giving a racist biology exam that targeted non-white students with this question. One of the questions attributed a dominant hemp walk gene to African American students and asked what would happen if you crossed with a recessive normal walking gene. According to the Fresno Bee, teacher Alex Wynn's test targeted specific students by first and last name. One of the students wants him to give a public apology to Luther Burbank High School since 97% of the school's population is non-white.
A black-owned pizzeria in Charlotte, North Carolina has made the New York Times list of best pizza shops in the country. Bird Pizzeria opened in December of 2021. Its pies are shareable, with slices that feature brown caramelized crust with seasonal toppings like dandelion pesto and local mushrooms. I'm Trey Thomas, along with Bree Wood, on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.